Welcome to ExcelGainz. In this video, I will show you how to analyze an income statement, also known as a profit and loss statement or a P&L. So I'm going to sum the revenue in 2018. I'm also going to sum it in 2019, as well as the total expenses. And what I'm hitting here is Control R, which is a shortcut that copies the formula that's in the left adjacent cell. And then the profit is going to be total revenue minus total expenses. Hit Control R again to copy over that formula. And this is the variance change in percentage terms. I'm going to hit equals 2019 minus 2018. I'm going to go in the formula bar to put that in parentheses to accomplish that first, and then divide that by the prior year amount. And that's the variance change from 2018 to 2019. And I'm going to copy this formula down. Next, if you wanted to put a visual, compare 2018 to 2019 expenses, just say, I'm going to copy that data and hit recommended charts, all charts, make a clustered column chart, call this the New Jersey Fine Wines Analysis. And Series 1 is 2018 and Series 2 is 2019, but I can't click and change that title like I did with the title of the graph. So I'm going to hit Select Data, and I'm going to edit Series 1. I'm going to name it 2018. Okay. And Series 2 is 2019. So that is a quick rundown of how to analyze a P&L. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.